Understanding cooler temperatures. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a very chill topic. Understanding what we mean when we talk about cooler temperatures. Whether you're packing for a trip, planning your day, or just curious about the weather, this phrase is super useful in everyday English. So, let's break it down together. When we say cooler temperatures, we're talking about weather that is less warm compared to the current conditions, another time, or what's typical for a certain period. It's a relative term, which means it depends on what you're comparing it to. For instance, if it's been 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, all week and the forecast says it will drop to 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, we describe that change as cooler temperatures. You can use cooler temperatures in various contexts. Here are a few examples. Weather forecasts. The week ahead promises cooler temperatures, perfect for outdoor activities. Planning events. We chose September for our wedding, hoping for cooler temperatures. Describing climate. The mountain regions are known for their cooler temperatures, even in summer. Understanding how to incorporate this phrase into your sentences can make your English sound more natural and precise. Discussing weather conditions is a common part of everyday conversations in English-speaking cultures. By using phrases like cooler temperatures, you can accurately describe weather changes and engage more effectively in discussions. Whether it's about planning activities, dressing appropriately, or just making small talk. And there you have it. A closer look at what we mean by cooler temperatures, and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English. We hope this video helps you feel more confident talking about the weather and adds a cool layer to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to stay cool out there.